Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about measurement of capacity. So let's start with that. Capacity or volume. In our everyday life we measure the quantities of various liquids such as petrol, oil, milk and etc. beta. The quantity of a liquid that a container or vessels can hold is called its capacity or volume. Thus, the capacity of a container tells us how much of a liquid it can hold. Now, units of measuring capacity. Small quantities of liquids are measured in a millimeter. Large quantities of liquids are measured in a liters beta. So, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So, therefore, the standard unit of capacity or volume is liter beta. Okay, सबसे small unit होती है milliliter, then liter. Okay, I hope you understood well. So now this is a 1 liter volume. इसमें कितना आएगा? 1500. This is 200 milliliter. This is 100 milliliter, and this is 50 milliliter. Okay, the liquids like milk and water are measured with the help of standard size vessels shown below. Like that one, 1 liter, 500 milliliter, 200 milliliter, and so on. The relations between liters and milliliters is given by 1 liter is equal to, yes, 1000 milliliter beta. Hope you understood well. So now move on next. Conversions of liters into milliliters and vice versa. Rule number 1. To convert liters into milliliters, we multiply the numbers of liters by thousands. Thus we can say that 5 liter कितना हो गया हमारा? 5000 milliliter. And 7 liter is equal to 7000 milliliter beta. Now rule number 2. To convert liters and milliliters into milliliters, we multiply the number of liters by 1000 and add it to the number of milliliters. Suppose we have 4 liter 125 milliliter. So 4 liter means 4000, 120 remain the same. So it becomes now 4125 milliliter. Hope you understood well. Now example number 1 also. Convert the following into milliliters. So here it is given beta 10 liter. So 10 liter multiplied by 1000 becomes 10,000 milliliter, like that. Okay. B part is 2 liter 365 milliliters. That means 2635 milliliter. Now example number 2. Convert the following into liter. So here it is given 4275 milliliter. ये कितना हमारा बन गया? 4000 milliliter means 4 liter. So 4 liter 275 milliliter ये हमारा हो गया. Yes, 4 liter 275 milliliter. Similarly this one beta. Now texting time 13.1. Question number 1. Fill the appropriate unit liter or milliliter. Water in a storage tank. So storage tank में जो water आएगा उसका unit क्या होगा? Yes, liter. So write it liter. The coffee in a cup. cup में जो coffee आती है वो small quantity होती है. So वो आएगा हमारा milliliter. I hope you understood well. So these are the other questions. You have to complete it your own. Okay beta. So now move on next one, which is additions and subtractions of capacities or volumes. Rule number 1. To add 2 or more capacities or volumes, we simply add the numbers and put down the unit. Observe the following additions. First one is given there, 73 liter plus 59 liter. So start with 1's place, then 10's place. So 132 liter is the answer. Okay. Second one में बेटा क्या है? 372 liter plus 268 liter. So once, okay, 8 or 2 10 का 0 carry 1, 7 or 6 and 1 14 का 4 carry 1, 3 2 5 और 1 6 beta. This is how we just add that one. Now rule number 2. To subtract a given capacity or volume from the other, we simply subtract the number and put down the unit. So here it is given 95 liter, हमको माइनस करना है 68 लीटर. सिमिलरली हम कैसे करेंगे? जैसे हम पहले वाले माइनस के सम्स को करते हैं. 5 में से 8 माइनस नहीं हो सकते. जस्ट बोरो लिया, 15 बना, 15 में से 8 माइनस 7 एंड हेयर इट इज़ 8 में से 6 माइनस हुआ 2 बेटा. सो 27 लीटर. सेम हम इसमें भी करेंगे, वंस की प्लेस से 1 को सॉल्व किया, सो 297 मिलीलीटर आफ्टर जस्ट सब्सट्रैक्टिंग बोथ द वैल्यूज. Similarly this one beta. I hope you understood well. So now move on additions of measures in liters and milliliters. We arrange the given measures in two columns of liter and milliliter and add them separately. Here we shall write milliliter as 3 digit numbers. Thus we write 75 milliliter as 075 milliliter and 5 milliliter as 05 milliliter. The following examples will make the idea more clear. Solved example, example number 1. At 18 liter 375 milliliter and 15 liter 120 milliliter beta. So for that arrange the given measures into two columns like liter and milliliter. Okay. So adding milliliter first, 375 plus 120 हमारा कितना हो गया 495 milliliter. So write it 495 here on milliliters column. Now add liters. So 18 plus 15 कितने हो गए हमारे 33 liters. So write it 33 at liter column. So answer is 33 liter 495 milliliter beta. Hope you understood. Now see the example number 2. At 48 liter 720 milliliter and 72 liter 950 milliliter. So arrange the given measures into two columns of liter and milliliter first. Like that one liter, this is milliliter. Now first add milliliters column like 720 950 हमारे क्या बन गए, it's a 1670 milliliter. So 1670 milliliter, that means 670 milliliter we just write it here and 1 to carry. अब हम एक इसको carry दे देंगे. So now add the liters value. So 48 plus 72 plus 1, that means it becomes 120. Yes, 1. So 121 liter and 670 milliliter is the answer of that one beta. I hope you understood. So now next. We may note here that the additions may be performed as ordinary numbers provided we write milliliters as 3 digits number. Okay. So now texting time 13.2. Here it is given 470 liter and 175 liter. So start with that. 5. 0 has no value. 7 or 7 14 का 4 carry 1 4 5 and 6. So 645 liter. Okay. So these are the other questions. You have to complete it your own beta. Okay. Now move on subtractions of measures in liters and milliliters. We arrange the given measures in two columns of liters and milliliters and subtract them separately. Be careful. Write milliliter as 3 digits numbers. Study the following example. Example 1 here. Subtract 39 liter 175 milliliter from 89 liter 702 milliliters. So now arrange the given measures into two columns like a liter and milliliter like that. Okay. So start subtracting milliliters first. 702 में से 175 माइनस करेंगे. So 527 and 89 में से 39 को माइनस किया. So 50 liter. So 50 liter 527 milliliter is the difference. Now example number 2. Subtract 47 liter and 56 milliliter from 63 liter 450 milliliter beta. So now arrange the given measures into two columns like liters and milliliters. After that subtracting milliliter first. 450 में से 56 माइनस करेंगे. So 394. Now subtract liters. 63 minus 47 16 liter. So difference कितना आया 16 liter and 394 milliliter. Hope you understood beta. Now note. We may note here that the subtractions may be performed as in ordinary numbers provided we write milliliters as 3 digits numbers. Okay. So now texting time 13.3. Subtract 900 milliliter में से 825 milliliters we have to subtract it. So 0 में से 5 नहीं जा सकता. एक बोरो लिया, it becomes 10. It remains 9. It remains 8 over there. 8 में से 5 माइनस गया 5. 9 में से 2 माइनस करेंगे 7 और 8 में से 8 गया 0. तो 75 milliliter is the answer. Okay, so these are the other questions beta, you have to complete it your own. So now move on, what problems? Example number 1, a bucket holds 9 liter 125 milliliter of milk. If 2 liter 250 milliliter of water is added to it to make the bucket full, so what is the capacity of the bucket? So for that things we just add both the value like this one. So answer is beta, we can say that the capacity of the bucket is 11 liter 375 milliliter. Okay, like that one this is. Now example 2. The capacity of a container is 100 liter 250 milliliter. Okay, it contains 25 liter 620 milliliter of petrol. How much more petrol it can have? So just subtract both the number. So liter or milliliter we just write it. Okay, and after subtracting that one we can say that 74 liter 630 milliliter of more petrols can be added to the container. Hope you understood all example nicely. Now move on, texting time 13.4. A bucket contains 5 liter 850 milliliter of milk. एक bucket में इतना पानी milk आता है. If 2 liter 75 milliliter of water is added to it, so what quantity of mixes will be there in the bucket? So for that things we just add both the value together. So let's see the answer of that one. This is liter, milliliter, 5, 850. Here it is 2, 75. So now add both the number. ये कितना बन गया हमारा 5, we just write it 0 over here. 7 और 5 कितने होते हैं 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 का 2 carry 1, 8 और 1 9. Point 5 और 2 7. So 7 liter 925 milliliter is the answer of that particular one beta. I hope you understood well. So with this we ended the chapter. I hope you understood. So you only need to do practice beta. Do practice and do rest of these exercises by your own.